Define your ideal customer's profile, their industry, management level, company size, revenue, technologies, buying intent. Scrape and enrich data or use AI to generate leads. Buy secondary top-level domains, set up DNS records, create 2 mailboxes per domain, and warm them up for at least 2 weeks. Write 3 types of email copies. First, templated email. Follow this format. Greeting, personalization line, offer made up of claim, time frame, and vehicle, evidence, and a soft call to action. Second, template plus icebreaker. Use the same template but replace personalization with an AI-generated icebreaker. Third, AI-written email. Set up seller's data and include buyer's data to generate hyper-personalized emails entirely written by AI. A/B test all of them. Add 2 follow-ups, send after 2 or 3 days, both of them sharing as much value as possible. Checklist, free tools, audits, strategies, or add extra proof like case studies or testimonials. Aim to start conversations rather than sell in the email. Delete any spam words from your copy. Spin tax everything. Send in your prospects working hours. Connect as many mailboxes per campaign as you can for mailbox rotation. Turn on plain text only. Turn off any open rate or link click tracking. Turn bounce shield on. Use AI draft feature to reply as fast as possible. If the prospect is interested, follow up for as long as it takes to get a clear answer. Schedule calls couple days in advance. Always send meeting reminders. Make an offer so good the prospect couldn't refuse. Track reply rate, positive reply rate, call book rate, call show up rate to constantly test new things and improve. Keep bounce rate below 1%. Keep spam rate below 0.3%. To speed up this process, check out the channel for more in-depth tutorials.